Press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to review India's most affordable lip crayons. So yes, in this video, as I have mentioned earlier, I'm going to review India's most affordable lip crayons, and the price is just 89 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. The price is only 89 rupees and it is much bigger than the Lakme lip crayons. Yes, Lakme lip crayons are of this size and these are almost of this size. So yes, which brand it is and what it is, let's get started. So this is the lip crayon. As you can see, this is almost the size of my hand, and this is from the brand NY Bay, and you can get it on Purple. And this is a beautiful makeup and skincare site, and I would drop the link in the bottom bar. So yes, this is for ₹89 and I have got all the shades with me right here, and I would be swatching and showing you every single color, but before that the grams and the price and everything. So yes, it retails for ₹149, but there was some offer going on, so I got them at ₹89, which is really cheap, guys. Like 89 rupees for such a big crayon, and this is like a thick crayon, not like the Lakme one. Lakme one is like very small and very thin and much expensive than the NY Bay one. So yes, you get 2.8 grams, which is like a lot than the Lakme one. And now let's get ahead with the swatches on my hand and then on my lips. So I have ordered all the 6 shades available on the site, and I just love them. They were like beautiful and all the colors were so amazing. So I thought 89 rupees for a single lip crayon is like amazing, like a loot. So I ordered all the 6 of them, and now let's see what are the shades and the swatches. So the first one I'm having with me is a beautiful red color. So it says Queen Choice, which is the first color, and I would be swatching it right here. So this is the color, beautiful color, guys, and everybody could wear it. This is a beautiful reddish brick red sort of a color, you can say, and these are semi matte actually, so beautiful. Like, I was amazed when I saw the price, 89 rupees for a single crayon, and you are getting a semi-matte finish, beautiful quantity, quality is great, and from a brand like NY Bay. So this is great. Now the second color I'm having with me is Major League Attraction, which is the second color, and let me swatch it for you right here. So this is a beautiful plum shade. It would go beautiful with medium skin and it would look perfect. Now the third shade I'm having with me is City Field Got Owned, which is the third shade actually. So I would swatch it right over here. So this is a beautiful movie nudie kind of a shade, and which is like super popular because nude is bae. Yeah. Then I have again a nude color, which is Bad Guy's Choice, which is the fourth shade, and this is also very nice rose pink sort of a color. And these are so creamy, guys, beautiful. They are super creamy. They glide. They are literally gliding on my skin, guys. I have no words. Then the fifth shade I'm having with me is Parting with Mascot. So this is the color. This is also beautiful nude pink sort of a shade. So now I have the sixth color with me, which is the Play of Champion. So let me swatch it for you right here. So this is a beautiful red pink sort of a shade, and now let's move ahead with the lip swatches, guys. yeah, these were all the 6 swatches available, and these are all the 6 shades available on the site. And I will drop the site's link and also the NY Bay lip crayon, and I would also drop the link of the NY Bay lip crayon in my bottom bars, and you can go and make sure that you check it out, and they have amazing offer always going on. So yes, if you want something affordable yet beautiful quality and everything, so just go and check it out. And yes, this was all for this video, and if you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to comment which shade was your favorite. And my favorite is this 06 and 03. So yes, this was all for this video, and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.